Alright, you can see a nice canvas here. The broken piece of a wood, we're going to draw a nice scenery. The water board, you can see just in a few strokes I'm pouring horizontally from the left side to the right side. Okay, so there's the few outlines of the acrylic color paints, and you can see that there are going to be a nice board in this corner, and you can see some reflections on the water of the boat. Okay, hopefully a boatman on the top here just sitting and with his instruments, and you can put a sail on top of the boat like this. Awesome. Okay, and lots of water. Partially you can see the horizon just ends up here. Mhm. Then for the sun you can put the clear yellow color, and that's going to be the sun. There's the one thing left here. You can see that the half circle, so only the top part of the sun is visible here, drawing the half portion. Okay, this is the sun. You can see the sun rays all around it. All right, and that looks like the sun is rising. Okay, and a few yellow strokes on the water just to define that sun. So very simple and nice scenery, simple drawing. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Have a good day.